Number 30, Allen Gia Lomapas. Number 29, Ethan Cody Antonio. Number 31, AJ Nasol. And number 25, Sean Will Bye-Bye. This is the 5 to 6 years old boys final. Kulang pang isa.
Kulang uban. Shan. Run ha, run.
Kulang pang isa. 33. 33. Kay Balon. Okay.
Shan.
Music.
Hold Shan. Pas kayo ni si Kayo ba? Shan, go faster, Shan! Shan, faster! Faster, Shan! Shan, faster! Run, Shan! Run! Shan, run, Shan! Shan, run!
5 to 6 years old girls category. Please proceed at the starting grid. Number 15,
Shan!
Ida
Shan, run!
Escada,
Run!
Manila.
Go!
Number 14, Haley Balatero of Tagum City.
Shan!
Number 15, Azari.
Run, Shan, run! Run!
Number 16,
Go for it!
Kamay. Number 17, Tana Putana of Tagum
Shan,
City.
faster!
And number 18,
Shan, faster, Shan!
Tagum City.
Shan! Dapat makapasok siya sa 5th line. Shan!
Congratulations,
Shan!
winners.
Shan, run faster, Shan! Don't stop, Shan! Run!
Boys category. Kay.
Ay, nako, Shan. Wala na.
Okay.
You must run faster, Shan! Sayang, di ka nakapasok sa
Let us
5th.
play.